Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in Dhofar online banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into Dhofar online banking, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in bankdofar.com or Dhofar. Once the search user loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Once you're inside the TechPorn homepage, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find an option that says online banking. Simply tap on that. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is either choose from your personal internet banking, your business internet banking, or corporate internet banking. Then once you select the option, you'll be prompted to the login portal. Now all you gotta do is type in your username or user ID, then simply tap on login. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Then once you install your password, you'll receive a one-time password OTP on your registered mobile number. Then enter the OTP correctly. Then once that's done, once verified, your banking dashboard will open, and now you can check balance, transfer money, pay bills, etc. In order to create an account, what you need to do is just simply tap on new user on the top right corner of your screen, and then once that's done, what you need to do is simply enter in your details like your account number, ATM card number, card PIN, civil ID or resident ID, and once you enter that, simply tap on continue and then enter in your mobile number. And then the selected mobile number will be sending an OTP to your registered mobile number. Simply enter the OTP to continue, then create your login information, and then lastly confirm and complete by reviewing all the details and tapping on submit, and your online banking is now created. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.